Okay. Let me reset the alarm panel.
Okay.
That way it's normal too. So it's resetting. Good call, Bo, on that, by the way. Okay, I'm in normal condition on the fire alarm, and I'm in normal condition on the wireless.
All right. Are you recording?
I am.
All right. Here comes the tamper. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Got it. And it's for 2861 trouble. And I come over here. Supervisory tamper switch off normal. Hit trouble acknowledge. Okay, I'm just.
All right. And here comes building 2861 water flow.
Got it. And got it. Alarm acknowledge. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and reset the World Electronics panel. Okay, reset a second time to get rid of the trouble. Goes back to normal. And I'm resetting this one. How far apart did you have to adjust the frequencies out, Bo?
Well, one is completely vertical, so the tamper switch is completely vertical.
So at noon?
Yep, and then the other one is horizontal.
So at 15. Okay.
Yeah. So I don't know if that means, I was thinking, well, maybe it needs to be 90 degrees out of phase.
I'm seeing what you're saying, yeah.
See what I'm saying?
But 15 degrees might be enough.
Okay. All right. Well, they're 90 degrees out of phase, and they're working.
Yeah, working good.
Yeah.
I wonder if, do we have issues with any of the other ones right now?
No, everything was working.
Okay.
Yep.
Do you think it would have worked down where we had it at if we would have had it 90 degrees out of phase?
I don't know.
Okay. All right, everything's good. All right.
Okay.